This morning, I'm going to be chatting about how do we collect the additional sum. So when there's an additional sum on a policy, how do we collect the owner's portion in terms of prescribed management rule 23.2? Okay, so how does Addsure receive the owner's extra premium for that request? Owner requests they want to add 100,000 Rand to their section's value, and now we add it. How do we get that extra 10 Rand per month? Very simple. What will happen automatically, we will get the instruction from the managing agent or from the trustees on behalf of the owner. In other words, the owner could actually send it to us, copying in the others, and which we would then act on because everybody knows about it. And we would instruct the insurance company to add that extra amount. What would in turn happen is, because the policy will be on a debit order, 99.99% of all sectional title policies are on debit order, and that policy would then automatically adjust the premium for the next debit order collection. So let's just say, for argument's sake, that from next month, 10 Rand a month extra is collected for that 100,000. We issue a debit advice. We will state that it's 10 Rand extra per month, or say, 120 Rand for the year. We could do it pro rata, or we might do it for the whole year, depending on the system that's in place. And we would issue what we call a debit note or a debit advice. That advice is purely a voucher so that the managing agent has got some instrument or document to collect back from that owner. They collect back from that owner via the levies or the levy statement, or the owner can pay the managing agent directly. But normally the most efficient way of doing with it is, if the owner agrees, that the amount can be added to the levy statement and then collected in terms of 23(2)(b). Okay, so simple as a pumple. It happens pretty much automatically. There's no money changes hands. We don't receive anything as the brokers. It's done automatically, and it's purely a recovery in the books of the body corporate. Normally, it gets added to the body corporate's insurance expense account, and then the credit goes back in there to bring it back to the correct amount. Okay, there you have it. Please don't forget, please like, please share this. And of course, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. And there you have it. See you again.